Hello my peeps, long time no see. Not really. Today's Algebra Nation video will cover the left side of workbook page 60. Left side of page 60.
Speaking of 3, question 3 says, what is the x-intercept of a line with the following equation? An x-intercept is when y is 0. So plug in a 0 for y and solve for x. 5 times 0 is 0, giving you just 2x equals 50. 2 times x, divide both sides by 2, and you'll get x is 25. So the coordinate is 25 comma 0, but they just want to know what the x is, so x is 25. And remember, you can put 25 on the right, you can put 25 on the left, but you can't just put it in the middle. It's got to be either right justified or left justified. Lastly, remember that worst case scenario? You're given 2 points.
You remember you need a brain break? Mrs. Cole wanted Mr. Phillips to give her team props. So here's Mrs. Cole's props.
Maybe Charlie will. That year was so high praise. Whitfield.
By the way, he gone.
Still on his feet. Whitfield. Holy cow, 74 yards. Truman Whitfield is a decathlete. Didn't have to hurdle anything that time. Didn't have to do the long jump. All he had to do was show you his speed.
One more time. I think Miss Cole's going to be in a good mood this week.
Championship game with, in my opinion, still the best college quarterback. Maybe Charlie. That year was so high praise.
He gone.
Whitfield. Still on his feet. Whitfield. Holy cow, 74.
Don't forget, bring it to the house on the EOC, baby.
What is the y-intercept? So what do you have to find first with 2 points? The slope. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Negative 5 minus 1 more is negative 6. This fraction you can simplify. 4 and 6 have a common factor of 2, and that'll give you negative 2/3. And if all they want is the y-intercept, remember, for y equals mx plus b, b is the y-intercept, and that's the equation I would use for the y-intercept. Does it matter which point I choose? No! I'm going to choose the first one because 1 and 1 is so fun to plug into. Y is 1, the slope is negative 2/3, x is 1, solve for b, which will be the y-intercept. 1 times negative 2/3 is just negative 2/3. Add 2/3 to both sides, and you'll need to find a common denominator. So b will equal 1 plus 2/3. You have to definitely pause the video, watch that all again, make sure you follow along, because I know fractions take a little bit of effort. The common denominator is 3, so multiply by 3 over 3 to give you 3/3 plus 2/3. And that'll be equal to 5/3. 5 divided by 3. Remember, leave it as an improper fraction. Do not make it a mixed number here. That's 5/3. 5 divided by 3, that'd be 5 divided by 3 for the answer. So again, make sure you remember how to go ahead and find x and y-intercepts. Given a graph, given an equation, or given points. If you have any questions, post on the wall. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.